Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a joke search engine, and my idea is I'm going to have a search engine image, and on it I'm going to put text, and I'm going to put a text box. Then each time you click the screen, it adds another letter, and then after all the letters are in, it presses go. If you press go, then it sends you to a web page. This is going to be like a little funny joke, but it's not going to be a real search engine. I've already got the backdrop updated and in the project, but if you guys don't know how to put a backdrop in, then you could just go to this button or this button and press the upload if you have the image saved on your computer. If you don't, then either you can find the backdrop from here. I'm pretty sure there aren't any search engines there, but you can try, I guess. And you could make your own, or actually this is the shoes one, and this is random surprise. It's like it just chooses a backdrop for you. So next, what we're going to do is add a sprite, and we're going to make our own. This is going to be the text sprite. I'm going to call it text. I'm going to call this one text 1, and we can just start with the text. We put it anywhere, just you gotta type something. Let's type for the first letter. I think I'm gonna type. I'm gonna search myself up. First, I'm just gonna type O. I'm gonna duplicate this. Edit this and put O. Then duplicate that and put E. Then I'm gonna duplicate that, and you get the pattern. I'm just gonna keep adding a letter every time. You don't have to put Omega Great. You can pretty much put whatever you want. I just chose this because it's funny, I guess. Okay. There we go. You got all 10 texts. And that's all you need to do. Now we can go here, move this. I need to move this right. If I can somehow click it. There we go. I'll put it right here. So you can search it up. And what I'm gonna do is this doesn't have that much coding and it doesn't take a long time, but it is pretty funny. We're not gonna do when flag click. We're gonna do actually we're gonna keep the when flag click because we want to make sure it stays here and goes to this position. Then we could do when I'm gonna make another sprite. Yeah. No, not upload. Wrong button. I'm gonna go to paint, and I'm just gonna make a giant white box. Filled with white is white, just white. And we're gonna make sure this goes to the back. So we're gonna put. Oh no, it's not part of the backdrop. So I don't think this is actually gonna work, and we can't go that direction. What we can do, I guess, is we can put when space key press. So instead of just clicking anywhere, it's just when you click the space key, it changes. Oh, we could just put one stage collect. Okay, that works too. And it's not in here. So we're gonna have to broadcast. So when stage clicked, so basically whenever the stage is clicked, then we want to broadcast a message. I'm gonna call this message, I can't rename it. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna make another one, I guess. I'm gonna call it text change. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna go here. When I received text change, then we're gonna put an if and else. If then else. We gotta look at the backdrop number, find what backdrop number it is. There's no backdrop number, costume number. Because each different one is a costume number. So if costume number is less than 10, if the costume is less than 10, 10 is with everything else in it. No, we don't want less than 10. We want is 10. Is less than or equal to 10. So we're going to put an or. So if costume number is less than 10 or is greater than or is equal to 10, then oh no. That's the wrong thing. Because what we want to do is just say that we want to change the background if it's less than 10. So it all goes in the trash. I could put change backdrop. Yeah, switch backdrop. Next costume. It's next costume. I keep getting mixed up between costume and backdrop because the backdrop is the back and the costume is the front. I don't really use costumes much. I usually just use backdrops, so I keep getting confused. But what I mean to say though is costumes. So if costume number is less than 10, so if we're not finished, then we go to the next costume. But like this depends on what you type. If the last number for me is 10, so I put 10, but if the last number for you is different, then you could put something else. And everything else would be the same though. Just 10 would be different. Then, next costume. Else, then we're going to duplicate this. Put it in here. Change this to equal to. So if costume number is equal to 10, so if it's the last costume, oh wait, forgot one more thing. In the beginning, we have to switch the costume to text 1 to make sure that it starts with O. Okay, if costume number is equal to 10, then we don't want a next costume. Actually, I'm going to change this. Oops. Let's duplicate that again. But what we really want to duplicate is this part. Just this part. Because everything else we're going to change. It's going to be if instead of an if then else. Because there is no else. It just changes back to text 1 in the end. So if costume number is 10 and we want an equal. Forgot about that one. Okay. Okay, so if costume number is equal to 10, so if Omi.grade is complete, then when you click the stage, what we want it to do is well, there are a few things we could do right now. You could pretty much do whatever you want, but what I'm gonna do is like broadcast another message. I'm gonna call this one Go. Just gonna be called Go. I'm gonna make another sprite, and it's just gonna be search engine again. What we're gonna change is vector. Hey vector. Okay, vector's not that bad. It's just I don't like vector because it's harder to use than. Oh wait, you can erase. Never mind. I didn't think that was possible. It's because it's not as easy to use as the other one is. So we're just gonna erase everything except the Go button, because we're gonna have that as its own sprite. Make sure we don't erase the Go button. That'd be horrible. This does take a while, and yeah, it does take a while, as I said before, but it is worth it. So I'm just right now just erasing everything around the Go so I can make it a sprite in itself. Can I zoom in? No, I cannot. Oh, wait. This is... Okay, I think I'm a little confused right here because it says this is vector, but it isn't, so... I mean, it says this isn't vector, but I'm pretty sure it is. Whatever it is, the tools are pretty much the same. It's just that one is more object-based. This one is more pixel-based. Okay. And that's all we're going to do. And we just got to move it. Right here. So we can, oh, wait. Underneath. Okay, so you can see in the actual... I don't know what it's called. Stage that there is a little bit left right here. You can fix that. It doesn't matter if it's a little crooked or hit inside, because we're just going to move it out of the way. Okay. So we just click and drag. Right here. There we go. That's totally supposed to be there. Now you can see it does look like it is supposed to be there. And it doesn't look like it's a sprite we made. So you can click the stage. That's one. And broadcast Go. That's all it did right now, but we're going to change that. So it doesn't broadcast Go. I mean, so when it broadcasts Go. So when I receive Go, then so we gotta make something that when this is pressed, wait until, so yeah, wait until so what I'm trying to do right now is wait until the cursor clicks Go, then we're gonna wipe the page. So wait until what I could do is I could put when this sprite clicked, then I could set a random variable that I'm making right now. Can I rename? Yeah, I can rename variables, just not broadcast. Okay, so I'm gonna call this variable go clicked, because this is when go is clicked. We want to set go clicked to 1. Wait until go clicked equals. And we're gonna go here so we can get equals. One. So what we could do in here is add set go click to 0 right here. So we can make sure that when the thing starts, we don't want it to automatically just switch to the go page. We want it to start as a regular page. Okay, that's a little confusing, but yeah. So what we could make a backdrop, I guess. Well, first of all, before we make another backdrop, we want to make sure that it always starts the backdrop as search engine. We don't want to start at the web page. So let's make another I'm gonna upload that search engine again. Just wipe out. Yeah, there we go. Remember this vector. And so what I'm trying to do right now is I want to change, like, I want to take this color and put it everywhere, so it's a blank page pretty much, and it's just gonna put like, I'm gonna put like Omi.Great rules or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna put something random, but yeah. So I'm gonna take this dropper. I'm gonna click this color because I want this color. There we go. You know, I'm not going to put it that big. I just want to cover this much. That's it. I'm going to leave it like that, and it's done. I'm going to put a new text box. It's going to say search / great. I need that purplish color. I'll just settle for this. This looks nice. So drag it, and there we go. The URL is now search / Omi.Great. This is like a little thing. It doesn't really matter that much, but it kind of adds that finishing touch that makes it look like a search engine. So we can save. I'll call this web page, so I can differentiate between the search engine and the web page. So now I'm going to go here. I am back here. I'm going to go to the Go button. Then I can actually switch the web page to, I can switch the backdrop to web page. We can save and we can try it out. So there we go. Click. Great. Then press go. Something's wrong. It's kind of hard to start it. There we go. So, until go clicked equals 1. Something is wrong. So when I see go, it goes back here. So I'm going to go through the whole thing, and I'm going to try to find out what I did wrong. It's like a debugger. When I clicked, go to there, yep. Switch costume to text 1. Set go click to 0, yeah. Switch backdrop to search engine. And I received text change. Yeah. One stage collect process text change. If costume number is less than 10, then next costume. If costume number is equal to 10, then broadcast go. When I receive go, wait until go clicked equals 1. switch backdrop to web page. I guess what I could do is make this a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. Move it up. Save now. Okay. That makes it a little more obvious that you're supposed to click it. But let me try again, see if it works. Nothing is happening. Oh no, I moved it. Oops. It's fixed. Okay, yeah, I kind of forgot about this, but when flag clicked, you need to move it to this position. Let's save. Yay, it fixed the dish. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this hide because we don't want it to show. And of course, whenever we mess around with hide, we need to put show in the beginning. Do the same here. And hide. Alright. Let's try this. Saving. So I'm going to click. 2, 3. Oh, I think I know the problem. The problem is it doesn't reach 10, it reaches 9. Because we only click 9 times. There are 10 backdrops, we only switch 9. No, but that shouldn't be the problem. Because we're doing costume number, we're not doing the number of times we click. It's weird. Let's see. Yeah, it's the 10th. I guess what we could do is just put this back to 10. 10. And let's save. See if it works. So I click 1, 2, it's backdrop 2 now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, it's 10. I click again and it hides. Okay, something is a little funky here because it says that there are 10 backdrops. When I kick the 10th backdrop, it disappears. And I'm going to put this 9 and see if it works. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it disappears. Well, I don't want it to disappear yet. So I'm going to broadcast another. Okay, this is a lot of broadcasting. I'm going to label this broadcast. I'm going to broadcast hide. Hide. Okay. So when I broadcast hide. No, I don't want it to wait. Oops. I just wanted to broadcast hide, so it doesn't wait and it just hides by itself. Hide. And it hides. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do when I receive hide, and hide. Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now it doesn't appear. So I'm going to put 10 and see if it works. Let's restart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I click go. And it searches. Okay. I mean, I guess it does work, but it's still a little confusing. I'm going to put a big text block. Perfect. This link will probably take you to my webpage, to my YouTube webpage, and it'll let you subscribe. Oh, that's a little too big. Okay, I'm gonna break this up into parts. So I'm just gonna put go to beta.ly/Omi.rate. Make this a little smaller. Move it a little to the right. There we go. I can copy that. Move it right under. And there we go. Make this way bigger. Not that big. And we'll move it down so you can make sure that it looks nice. Slowly moving it down. You can't really move it down all at once because I want to make sure that it's straight and straight up to down. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to move this one down now. And make sure it's text. Because if I click the text, then it's going to actually edit the text. And I don't want to edit the text. There we go. I'm going to save that. Go back here. Go back here. Press that and see if it works. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Okay, so I guess what it needs to do is I need to click 10 times, then the 11th time I need to click. No, I need to click 10 times. Then after I click 10 times, yeah, so I gotta wait for it to just say Omi.Rate. Then after it says Omi.Rate, I gotta click once, then I'm gonna press go. Yeah. I'm gonna put that in the instructions, just in case people don't know how to play. Click, not kick, click. Click the screen until the word is revealed. Then click once more and press go. Do you think that's good? I think that's good. So I think that's all I'm gonna put, and then yeah. So I'm gonna share this. Remember to check it out on my Scratch channel, and that's all for today. Bye!